This is homework 12, the first option, drawing program using mouseDragged. So I have in the mouseDragged method an ellipse being drawn at mouse X, mouse Y. It's tiny. The other option, if you wanted to get fancy, is instead of ellipse, you could use a line being drawn from mouse X, mouse Y to P mouse X, the previous location of the X location of the mouse and the time before, and draw the frame before, and the same for P mouse Y. Either one of those is fine. And then we're going to use the keys to change the color. Right now, there's no color. The background definitely should be in setup. You always need a draw method once you're in active mode using setup and draw in processing. You have to have that draw even if there's nothing in it. Now you could use conditional statements and the key pressed Boolean variable and the key character variables, but just to do a more demonstration with user input methods, I'm going to use void key pressed instead. So I'm going to say void key pressed, and I'm putting it before the mouse drag because there are going to be fills in here. So I'm going to say if key equals two equal signs to check for equality, r fill is 255.00, close that curly bracket, if key equals b fill 0, 0, 255. Close that curly bracket. You could keep going with those for as many different color changes as you want. I'm going to close the whole method. And then if I wanted to have a clear all, I could say if key equals, for example, C, and then have a background. Just redraw that background one time to cover over everything. So now when I play, white, if I hit R, it becomes red, B, blue, and if I hit C, the screen clears.